Hey there my viewers, how are you? I'm fine and welcome back to the 5th episode of this channel. So today we are going to do a geography quiz just to check your knowledge in flags. All you need to do is just guess all the 15 flags correctly within the timer, that is 15 seconds. So without any further delay, let's move on to the scoreboard. As usual, the scoreboard is 1 to 7, you need to focus on the flags. 8 to 14, well done, keep that up. 15 to 19, you're amazing and awesome. And exact 20, the geography whiz. So let's move into the question. Flag number 1. What flag is this? The options are Kenya, Spain and India. Time's up. The answer is India. That flag is India. Flag number 2. What flag is this? The options are Kuwait, Oman and Bhutan. Time's up. It's Kuwait. What flag is this? The options are Bolivia, Turkey, Mexico. I hope you know the answer. Time's up. And the answer is it's Turkey. Flag number 4. What flag is this? The options are Peru, Mongolia and Israel. And the timer is gone. The correct answer is it's Peru. Flag number 5. What flag is this? It's either Iran, Maldives or Iraq. Time's up. It's Iraq. What is the name of this flag? The options are Bangladesh, Canada and Japan. Time's up. It's Japan. What flag is this? The options are Kazakhstan, Indonesia, Pakistan. It's Kazakhstan. Flag number 8. What flag is this? The options are Libya, Italy and Cambodia. What do you think will it be? Come on, hurry up. It's Italy. Number 9. What flag is this? Is it Finland, Sweden or Norway? Time's up. It's Norway. Flag number 10. What do you think will it be? The options are Jordan, Jamaica, Ireland. Time's up. It's Jamaica. What do you call this flag? The options are Nigeria, Romania, Scotland. Time is gone. It's Nigeria. What flag is this? Is it Poland, Argentina or Laos? What do you think will it be? It's Laos. So, how are you doing up until now? Tell me your score in the comments. What's the name for this flag? The options are Russia, Yemen and England. What do you think will it be? Time's up. It's Russia. What flag is this? Ethiopia, Luxembourg, Morocco. Time's up. It's Morocco. What flag is this? Is it Qatar or Paraguay or France? Do you know the answer? Time's up because it's Paraguay. What do you call this flag? Is it Malaysia, Brazil or Rwanda? It's Rwanda. What flag is this? Is it Taiwan, Slovenia or Serbia? Time's up. It's Slovenia. Flag number 18. What flag is this? Is it Hungary, Nepal or Philippines? Comment your answer. Time's up. It's Hungary. Flag number 13. What flag is this? Is it Tuvalu, Ukraine or Portugal? Let's see how many people get this flag correct. So it's Tuvalu. If you got this flag correct, then comment a thumbs up emoji in the comment section box. 2 more to go. What flag is this? Is it Myanmar, Palestine or Zak? Time's up. It's Zak. And last but not the least, comment this flag. I'm not going to tell you the name for this flag. Instead, you have to comment it. So, did you get it? And thank you for watching this episode. So, what was your score on this video? Tell your score in the comments. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.